My name is Jason Espinida.
And my name is Dr. Borella. Our topic in the lab is expansion of Buddhism outside India.
And Zen meditation in the Philippines.
What is Zen meditation in the Philippines?
Zen is a school of Buddhism which emphasizes the practice of the meditation as the key ingredients to awaken one's inner nature, compassion, and wisdom. The term of Zen comes from the word Zazen, which means to sit. In 1976, Senior Elaine Masines introduced the Zen meditation of the Philippines through her training under the Japanese Sango Ryodan. Roshi, this is the led to the information to Zen Songhas in the Manila and the other location, which is the 8 Filipino Roshis currently authorized to teach the practice in the Humahora. Do you know we're in the place of Zen meditation in the Philippines? In Baguio Zen Center.
Baguio Zen Center is open to individuals who wish to explore the practice of Zen. This unseen tradition allows practitioners to tap into their innate qualities of self-awareness, wisdom, love, and compassion in the modern world. They focus on providing a learning environment for personal spiritual development and introducing people to authentic Zen training practices. They offer a seminar for beginners and retreat. The retreat provides a supportive environment for beginners to immerse themselves in the practice of Zen, allowing them to deepen their understanding and experience. Zen provides a simple, accessible, and direct way to find peace and stillness in a busy world, enabling individuals to share this peace with others. Buddhism spread across Asia through networks of overland and maritime routes between India, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and China.
Buddhism went through change as it encountered many different religions through missionaries, and trade. The Buddhism was spread to China, Korea, and Japan.
Who spread the Buddhism outside India? King Asoka, 3rd century BC. Inscription indicate the first few evidence of Buddhism spread outside India with missionaries sent various subcontinent regions and borders areas.
Buddhism spread so rapidly worldwide because the simplicity and clarity of the Buddha's teachings and its principles were very appealing to various peoples. Sri Lanka, earlier known as Ceylon, was the first country outside to India where Buddhism was propagated and adopted.